Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, for the current subscribers, welcome back. Also, don't forget to click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so today we are just doing a corned beef. I've already taken it out of the package. Let me see. So this was the package that it came out of, just so you can see. So I'm gonna add the package that it actually came. I'm gonna also add some other extra ingredients. I have some garlic powder. I have some Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic that I'm gonna add to it. So I'm gonna mix these things up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I mixed up some seasoning. This is just like the Kinder's blend of garlic powder, salt, pepper, and then it's like a meat and all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this over the meat. I'm also going to put some on the bottom, so one moment. Okay, so I did go ahead and sprinkle that. Next, I'm going to add, this is the packet that it came with. So I'm going to just sprinkle this on top. I don't know why it's so stuck and wet, because usually it comes out pretty fast or easy. I'll get the rest out, but anyway. So I'm gonna let this cook on slow for like 6 to 8 hours on low. And I will come back with the finishing product. I will see you all in a bit. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hey, guys. I'm back. So, I just wanted to come with the end results. I did already cut it up just so you can see. It is super, 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 super tender, as you can see. And it was super, super juicy. So I'm about to make me a sandwich. But yeah, this will be uploaded soon, probably within the next day or so. Hopefully Friday or Saturday. So hope you liked the video. Leave your girl a comment, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.